In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up 3 different types of trading bots on MEXC that can literally trade while you sleep. Whether you want to dollar cost average into Bitcoin, profit from volatile price swings, or AI copy traders making consistent returns, I'll walk you through everything step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have your first bot running in under 5 minutes. First things first, you need a MEXC account. If you don't have one yet, click the link in the description. You'll get a 10 USDT voucher just for signing up a new account. Another 10 USDT voucher when you download and complete login on the MEXC app. On top of that, you get 770 USDT in new user rewards, including futures bonuses, position airdrops, and vouchers. So definitely use the link in the description. These bonuses are only available through my link, and they're literally free money you can use to start trading with. Once you're logged in, make sure you have funds in your account. If you need to deposit, click deposit on the upper right corner and click on chain deposit, select USDT, choose your network. I recommend TRC20 for low fees, and send your funds from your other exchange or wallet. They'll arrive in a few minutes. Now let's get into the bots. The first bot we're going to cover is the spot DCA bot. This is perfect if you want to dollar cost average into Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other crypto automatically without timing the market. To access it, hover over spot in the top menu and select spot DCA bots. This takes you to the dashboard. At the top, you can see your holdings, your profit and loss, and how many bots you currently have active. Scroll down a bit and you'll see different categories. You've got major tokens, POW or proof of work tokens, public chain coins. This makes it easy to find the type of assets you want to invest in. Now under DCA plans, you can see individual tokens like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. For each token, you can see the historical ROI. This shows you how well a DCA strategy would have performed over time. You can toggle the historical ROI based on different time frames here. You can choose between 5 years, 3 years, 1 year, all the way down to 1 month. This gives you a good idea of how consistent DCA has been for that specific asset. Once you've found the coin you want to invest in, click on Create DCA Bot. Here's where you create your plan. First, you can add tokens. You can select up to 10 different tokens if you want to diversify your DCA strategy across multiple coins. Next, you'll see the allocation ratio. This is how you want to split your investment per coin. For example, if you're investing in Bitcoin and Ethereum, you can allocate 50% to each, or 70% Bitcoin and 30% Ethereum, whatever you prefer. Now set your DCA interval. You can choose from hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly. Click on more options here to see all the available intervals. You can also select what time of day you want the bot to buy. This is useful if you want to buy at a specific time when you think the market is typically lower. There's also an option to start first investment immediately. If you enable this, the bot will make its first purchase as soon as you activate it. Next, enter how many USDT you want to invest per round. This is the amount the bot will spend each time it buys according to your interval. Now, if you click on advanced settings, you get even more control. Here you can edit the name of your DCA bot. This is helpful if you're running multiple bots and want to keep them organized. You can also enable buy price range. When you turn this on, you can set a lower price and upper price. This means the bot will only buy when the price is within that range. This is useful if you want to avoid buying during extreme pumps and only accumulate during dips or consolidation. Once you're done, click Create Plan and your DCA bot is live. It will now automatically invest at your chosen interval without you having to do anything. Now, if you want to make this even easier, scroll back up and check out the pre-made plans. Here, MEXC has already created DCA plans for you. You can see the coins, the allocation, the intervals, and more, all done for you. All you need to do is enter the amount per round you want to invest. Once you've entered your amount, just click Create Plan and you're done. This is the fastest way to get started with DCA if you don't want to customize everything yourself. Next up is the Futures Grid bot. This is ideal for volatile markets where you want to profit from price swings automatically. To access it, hover over Futures in the top menu and select Grid Trading. This takes you to the Futures Grid Trading panel. It looks like a normal futures interface. You've got your trading chart in the middle, the control panel on the right side, and your positions at the bottom. You can select your trading pair on the upper left. Let's go with BTC/USDT for this example. You can search for any pair you want here. Now scroll down to the positions panel at the bottom. Once you have a bot running, you'll see all the important details here. The trading pair, running duration, price range, number of grids, investment amount, total, P&L, grid profit count, liquidation price, take profit and stop loss, the bot status, and actions you can take. On the right side, you'll see two options, MEXC AI selection and manually create. Let's start with MEXC AI selection. Here, you can select between long, short, and neutral depending on your market outlook. MEXC has a selection of AI bots depending on your time frame. You can choose from 7 to 30 days, 1 to 2 months, or even 3 to 6 months. This is great because you can match the bot to your trading style. For each AI bot, you can see the name, price range, number of grids to be used, and estimated profit per grid. When you click on copy, it will show on the chart exactly where the grids will buy or sell. This gives you a visual representation of how the bot will trade. On the right side, you can see all your information. Here you input your investment amount and leverage. You can select up to 50 times leverage here, but if you're a beginner, stick to low leverage, maybe 5 times to 10 times. High leverage increases your risk of liquidation, so definitely be careful with that. Now, if you click on advanced settings, you'll see some additional options. First is risk controlled mode. Unchecking this lowers the investment requirement and increases position size, but it also raises liquidation risk. Checking it reduces risk, but may not lower investment needs if you're using high leverage and wide grids. I recommend keeping this checked if you're just starting out. You can also see the activation price. This is the price where the bot will start trading. Next, you can set your take profit and stop loss. You can set these by price, P&L, or P&L percentage. I highly recommend setting a stop loss to protect your capital. Once you've reviewed everything, click Create Bot and your Futures Grid bot goes live. Now, if you want a more manual approach, click on Set Parameters Manually. Here, you can either create from scratch or edit the parameters given by the AI. This gives you full control over every aspect of the bot. You can still see the direction, long, short, or neutral. Next, set your price range. This is the range where the bot will place buy and sell orders. Then choose the number of grids. You can set between 200 and 300 grids. More grids mean more frequent trades, but smaller profits per trade. Fewer grids mean less frequent trades, but larger profits per trade. You can also choose the mode, either arithmetic or geometric. Arithmetic places grids evenly across the price range. Geometric places more grids near the current price, which is better for volatile markets. After that, you still have the same settings as before. Investment amount, leverage, and the same advanced settings available in the AI mode. Once everything looks good, click Create Bot. You can see all your bots running in the lower part of the panel. This is where you'll monitor their performance and make adjustments if needed. The last bot feature I want to show you is AI Copytrade. This lets you automatically copy profitable AI traders on MEXC. To access it, hover over Futures and select AI Copytrade. Once you're on the dashboard, you can see your equity, Copytrade cost, total P&L, and recent 7-day P&L at the top. Now scroll down and look on the left side. MEXC has this feature called Trader Match. This will match you to the closest AI trader based on your preferences, like which assets you want to trade, your risk tolerance, and trade frequency. On the right side, you can see AI recommendations. For each trader, you can see their 7-day ROI, how many followers they have, and token preference. Scroll down and you'll see the full ranking of AI traders with their 180-day PNL, 7-day PNL, best trade, and win rate. This gives you a complete picture of their performance. Once you find a trader you like, click the Copytrade button on the right side of their profile. MEXC offers 3 copy trading modes: Smart Ratio, Fixed Amount, and Fixed Ratio. Smart Ratio is recommended for beginners. It lets the master trader manage your portfolio risk automatically. Fixed Amount means you copy a fixed dollar amount per trade, like $10 per position. Fixed Ratio copies a percentage of your portfolio that matches the trader's allocation. For beginners, I recommend Smart Ratio. First, enter your copy trade amount. This is the total you'll invest in copying this trader. Don't put all your funds into one trader. Next, set your account stop loss. When your equity reaches this level, the copy trading will automatically terminate and close all positions. Click on More Settings for additional options. Here you can choose which futures pairs to copy. I recommend starting with just Bitcoin and Ethereum. You can also set single order take profit and stop loss ratios. For example, set a 20% take profit and 10% stop loss to automatically manage each trade. For margin mode, I highly recommend Isolated for beginners because it limits your risk to just that specific trade. You can also customize your leverage. You can follow the trader's leverage or set your own fixed leverage. On the left side, you can see the trader's profile overview, including their 7-day PNL, win rate, and profit sharing ratio, which is usually between 10 to 20%. This is what the trader earns from your profits. Once everything looks correct, click Next Step and submit. Your copy trade is now live. Alright, so now you know exactly how to use every single trading bot on MEXC. Whether you want to automate your DCA strategy, profit from grid trading in volatile markets, or copy AI traders that are already making consistent returns, you've got the tools. And don't forget, if you signed up with my link in the description, you can claim up to 10,000 USDT in bonuses just for using the platform. You get vouchers for signing up, downloading the app, and completing trades. So definitely check that out. If you want more crypto trading tutorials or want to see a full walkthrough of the MEXC platform, check out the video popping up on screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.